Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we have another question from competitive exams which says these questions are from Maths Olympiad, whatever I discuss on my channel. So this question says that in an equally balanced scale, if the scale is empty then it is equally balanced. Okay. The weight of each object is labeled. If you see, you are shown the weight of each object. Like here we have three objects and weight of each object is x here on left hand side, right? Okay. And then on right hand side we have one object, it is x, and another is 20 and 30, right? Okay. Then they tell us since the scale is not balanced. Now if you can see, if you see this thing, if you see this road, if you see it is going on left side, that means this left one is heavy and right one is light, right? Because the left one, this road is bending towards left, right? So it says that since this scale is not balanced, what is the smallest integer value that x can take? Okay, so now if we see the weight on left side, if I see the weight on left side, right, it is x plus x plus x. Only this weight we have here. So that means on the left hand side the weight is 3x, right? Okay. So then we see the weight on right hand side. Okay. On right hand side the weight is x plus 30 plus 20, that is equal to x plus 50, right? Now the thing is, they because they say us that the scale is unbalanced and it is heavier on the left hand side, right? So this implies, since the scale is unbalanced, this implies that 3x is greater than x plus 50, right? Okay. If I subtract x from both sides, what will I get? I will get that 2x is greater than 50, right? Okay. And now if I divide by 2 on both sides, it says x is greater than 25, right? That x is greater than 25. If x is greater than 25, now what was our question? Our question was what is the smallest integer value that x can take? So that means x is an integer which is greater than 25. So which integer is greater than 25? 26 only. So what is our answer? 26. So x can be 26, right? So I hope you understood this question. This was very easy, very simple. The only thing is we need to practice these types of questions because they are asked in like competitive exams. Okay. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch more videos on Maths Olympiad questions, you can visit my channel. I have many beginner to pro packages as well. And if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.